I'm Joshua Skid Pro. This is our heavy duty tree saw. Let's go take it for a test drive. Okay, we got our tree saw. I like to run continuous flow in the Kubota. It's the right button. Now she's spinning up. I'm on auxiliary 1. That's my standard flow on this Kubota. 22 gallons a minute. I'm running about full engine RPM. Okay, now I've got, here's my saw rotation, right? I can go either direction. Or put it in the center. So it's always good to test that all out before we get started. Pretty simple. This has got a pretty long reach, so I like to tilt that nose forward and make sure we're getting right at the ground level. Doing some trimming for wood chipper video. So I'll get started with these little ones. This works awesome for fence rows. You can see you get right in here, and so it doesn't even blink. So we already got everything going. The saw has to be turning in continuous flow. Then on my Kubota, it's these two buttons. Obviously, you can change the pin location if you want to put it on your left joystick or whatever you choose. But we're there. And I like to tilt down. There you go. And I prefer to rotate this way. Go into it. Pretty simple. And I rotate back for vertical cutting. Got some more little ones here for mulching or the wood chipper. You can see it'll cut them about as fast as you can grab them. One of the nice things on this for delicate fence line work, you can see how you can just reach right in there. Imagine if that tree is a fence post, you can get right up to said fence post without touching it. It doesn't get much closer than that. And that's what a lot of our guys use this for. Again, my loader arms are mostly down. The attachment plate sits up higher, so you tilt that forward, get it right into the at ground level. That's the best part of those green teeth. They're very good in the dirt, so you can see right there, perfectly flush with the ground. Now let's say you wanted to get this felled up and taken out in sections. We just simply hit the rotate button. I like to raise up a little bit. There we go. Raising up just takes that angle and gets that out of the way of the guard. To place it if you need to. There you can see that's a good sized tree right by the head there, cut nice and flush to the ground. There's a couple little ones. Make quick work there. And here's a bigger one. The key is to try and not get that blade to bind. So you want to go in straight. Go. That one I left a little bit high, so we're going to go back and clean it up. And we got our flow ground. Same thing here. You're going to trim branches. You can just like that. rotate back to horizontal or vertical cutting, however you want to say it. Well, there you have it. Any questions on this or any of our vegetation management line, give the guys at the office a call or visit us at skidpro.com. And as always, our promise to you, better products, better service, happier customers.